It's a GT350, it has a Whipple, and one of my all-time favorite colors. Let's get started. Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I love that. Actually, what I really love about it's a color, but check this thing out. This GT350 looks sick, and it's running the Whipple Supercharger. So let's go over here and take a look. So this has the Whipple on it, Gen 3, 2.9 liter, rated over 800 flywheel horsepower right there. Killer setup. We're gonna do a dyno pull. I'm gonna show you the numbers. This came out really, really good. We also installed bill of oil pump gears, cooling mods, because you always want to do the cooling mods. We installed that, as well as Kooks headers, and we did high flow cats. I did some minor tweaks to the tune, and the car came out really good. I love that color so much. I'd really like to have an F-150 in that color right there, but enough of that. Check this out. All right, let's go look at this. It came out really, really good. Hey, don't forget, subscribe and notify. Of course, like I always say, it's gonna stay up to date, but one more peek at that right there. I think it's called Avalanche Gray. So awesome, I love that a lot. But here we are, rated SAE 789 rear wheel horsepower, as well as 543 pound-feet of torque. I mean, that is sick. This car pulls all the way to 8,000 RPM. It's just ludicrous on the street. So that's basically the Whipple kit, small tweak to the cowl for the long tube headers, and there you have it. Another almost 800 rear wheel horsepower car. Not there yet, but it might be someday. But the car came out really, really good. We have a lot of other GT350 videos, so I'll put some links at the end so you can see all the other 350s put Whipples on. I don't make a video on every one, but every once in a while when I get a car in here, especially a car I really love, I like to make a video on it, and I haven't had one in this color right here, so I wanted to make sure you were able to see that. So again, you like this, you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, how much does this cost to get put on my GT350? And I will put links in the description for you, because we do ship these out, free shipping in the 48 states. You can order it right off our website, or you can get that install quote. And I'll also put links to the cooling mods I was talking about, but another awesome GT350 with a Whipple. Came out really, really good. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. I'm happy to answer.